Hello and welcome to a new video. This time it's going to be an unboxing video and I will perform a small test of the machine also. What you are looking at is a Skil drill driver, Model 3011AA. This drill has 2 gears, high speed for drilling, high power for tough screw driving. And it's of course brushless. It has 17 torque settings for screw driving and 1 drill setting. Let's see, what more? 55 Newton-meter high torque, a 13mm chuck, a 2 amp-hour battery and charger is also included, and I got an additional 2 amp-hour battery for free, and 5-year warranty for the price I paid. That's excellent.
Yeah!
Let's go to the next step, unboxing. This is Skil's newest series of batteries. 25% longer runtime and 2 times the lifetime. That sounds promising. They say that the battery has something called an active cell technology. It should optimize the power usage and prevent overheating. The overall feel of the battery is surprisingly good. The plastic don't feel cheap, more a premium feel. And here we have the charger. This feels very cheap, but I'm not surprised. I hardly paid anything at all for this bundle. I charged the battery off camera and it took about 1 hour and 33 minutes to charge from 1 bar to full charge. Not that fast, but acceptable for this price. It's very small though, so it's not as big and clumsy as the regular chargers. Very portable. And now to the drill itself. This has the same feeling as the battery. Feels much more premium. The plastic is rigid and the chuck feels more high-end than other affordable brands. I've never owned a brushless tool before. The power is instant, and it just feels more snappier than the old drivers. Yeah, very impressed. Here you have a size comparison. The Skil driver is pretty small and unclumpsy, and it definitely is more balanced than the Bosch. I almost forgot to show that they included a double-sided bit. This will come in handy. Here we have the second battery, that I got for free. It looks like it's an older model. Feels and looks the same as the first one though. Let's start with the second gear and the newer battery. First gear and the newer battery. Still a lot of juice left. Let's test the second battery and see if there's any difference. Second gear, old battery. First gear, old battery. It might be placebo, but it felt like the driver had more power with the older battery. In the next and last test, I will drill a few holes. That was not bad. The drill bit was a little dull, but the driver still performed well. Let's put some screws in this newly drilled piece. So, what did I think of this driver? I almost paid nothing for it. 4.95 Swedish kroner. That's about 43 euro or $46. And it really don't feel or act like a cheap tool. The quality is there. I need to test it more to know how it will hold up in the long time, but my hopes are high. And there is an upcoming project where I'm going to use this, so don't miss that. This will be all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.